Question number 1. Which site of Indus Valley Civilization is located in India? Option A. Harappa. Option B. Mohenjo-daro. Option C. Lothal. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is Harappa. Question number 2. The Harappan city represented by the archaeological site of Lothal was situated on the river. Option A. Narmada. Option B. Mahi. Option C. Bhagwa. Option C. Bhima. The correct answer is option C. Bhagwa. Question number 3. Harappan civilization Lothal is located in option A. Gujarat. Option B. Punjab. Option C. Rajasthan. Option D. Sindh. The correct answer is option number A. Gujarat. Question number 4. The fourth city of Indus Valley Civilization was option A. Harappa. Option B. Kalibagan. Option C. Lothal. Option D. Mohenjo-daro. The correct answer is option A. Harappa. Question number 5. Which of the following is a Harappan port? Option A. Alexandria. Option B. Lothal. Option C. Mohenjo-daro. Option D. Nagapattinam. The correct answer is option B. Lothal.